Hi there, students. To wince, a verb. A wince, a noun, but the noun's not very common. So, this is when you wince, you grimace. It's to show pain on your face. Very often you move your head back and you screw up your eyes and the edges of your mouth go down. Yeah? The hero didn't flinch, didn't move, didn't react to all of the wounds that he received during the fight. But when the heroine put some disinfectant on his wound, he winced. Okay, this is the idea of to wince. Notice, you wince in embarrassment, or you wince in pain. Yeah, so notice it can be this physical reaction, but this can also be metaphorical. It makes me wince to think about this horrible concept. He winced at the price. Ooh, that was expensive. Yeah, so when the bill to the restaurant bill arrived, he winced at the price. He was it was painful to him. Okay, so to wince, you flinch, you blench, you draw back, but it can also be metaphorical as well. It's to shrink back from something. Okay, so to wince, yeah, you tighten the muscles on your face because you've just something has been painful, or you've just heard something unpleasant, or you've just remembered something unpleasant. That scene was so embarrassing, it makes me wince every time I think of it. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, a wince as a noun. He tried to hold back a wince. Yeah, it's to flinch in pain. Okay, so to wince, it's this movement. Ow, that's painful. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah. Okay, so to wince, to shrink back. Normally, when you wince, the physical action is involuntary. It just happens. Yeah. You wince because it hurts. Yeah. A pain suddenly appears. A pain in his back appeared. He winced. But then to wince at something, to be embarrassed, to feel pain from it. When I think about what I was like as a teenager, it makes me wince. Yeah, it's really embarrassing. It's painful. Yeah. My friend got drunk at the party and he made a total idiot of himself. Yeah, and I winced as he took off all his clothes and stood on the table. Okay, that's the idea of to wince metaphorically. Yeah, when you make a silly mistake, you wince. I wish I hadn't done that. It was silly. I shouldn't have done that. And that's where it comes from. Let's see. Formality. That's an interesting one. I think I would give this verb a 5 in formality. I think you can use it absolutely anywhere. The governments wince at implementing unpopular legislation that may well be necessary. Okay, so as to origin, it comes from Old French, from Anglo-Norman French, winchir, which means to wince, which itself comes from Proto-Germanic wankian, which I think also means to wince. Okay, so to wince. Yeah, to wince at a painful experience, to wince at something. Notice the preposition at. I winced at the idea. I winced at the pain. I winced in embarrassment. Yeah. I winced in pain as well. So yes, if it's in, it's the reason why you're wincing. You wince at a situation. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Wince.